Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another quarantine chronicle. So I'm looking like a bum, but it's okay because we're not going anywhere. We're not doing anything. And who's seeing me? So I'm about to make my breakfast. And you guys already know I like my fruits with my breakfast. So that's what I'm about to get going. Okay, so you can see I have a lot going on, but I'm gonna start by making my parfait, which is like yogurt with fruit, granola, whatever you want to add to it. Okay guys, so I ate my breakfast and now I'm on break for class. I've been in class since 9:30. It's now 1. We have a break until 1:20 and then we have to go back. I don't know what we're going to be doing. And this is my psych clinical and we're learning about like substance abuse disorders and stuff like that. We have to do a case study, whatever. I'm just very tired today. I don't know, my allergies are like acting up. I went outside for a little to just get some air and now my eyes are burning. Not burning, but like tingling. So I'm just chilling. I'm gonna finish school for the day and then I'm gonna come back and update you guys. I don't really know what I have planned for the rest of the day. I don't know. Watch TV, clean, cook. I don't know. We'll see. Quarantine Chronicles. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I'm looking like a bum, but it's okay. I got my braids in. Protective hairstyling. No need to style your hair if you're just in the house. But I think I'm gonna do some knotless tomorrow, so I'll probably make a video on that. But yeah, I'm just studying as per usual and it's going pretty well. I haven't really been motivated to really study and I've had like a lot of assignments due and a lot of just reading and understanding to understand. So I don't know why I'm playing, but I'm getting back to it. So yes, enjoy this time lapse of me just studying. Okay guys, so it's now Sunday and I'm about to make some lemonade, cut up some vegetables, and do some things because we're cooking on the grill today. You know, me and my family, we've just been trying to promote togetherness during this pandemic. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I make lemonade. It's my first time ever making lemonade, but hopefully it's gonna come out good. I don't see how I can really mess it up, you know, it's just lemons and sugar and water. So I already made a simple syrup. And if you don't know, a simple syrup is just hot water and sugar. It's just so like the sugar won't be just sitting at the bottom of the lemonade. So excuse my hands if they're ashy. I've been washing dishes all day. But this is like a juicer or something. I don't know, I've never used it. So I'm gonna juice the lemons like this. But first I'm gonna roll them and then cut them. So now that I have all my juice juiced, so I didn't even realize that the machine was motorized until my mom said something. So, but now I'm gonna cut this one up for garnish. So once I'm done, I can sprinkle them in the lemonade. Now I'm gonna fill up my pitcher. So now I have my sugar mixture. I'm gonna start with a cup and then taste it and then add more if I need. I don't wanna put too much if I don't need it. So I just made a little more simple syrup and I added it. I think I hit the money. It's bomb. I'm putting the refrigerator so it'll be nice and chilled for dinner. So today's video is just turning into a cooking with me. So next I'm gonna season some burgers that are gonna go on the grill. So I'm gonna get my seasonings and then show you what I'm working with. I don't really know what to season it with yet. I'm gonna decide and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I'm using this garlic and herb seasoning, some pepper, and then just a little bit of salt. We try to stay away from salt because, you know, high blood pressure, hypertension, or black, or predisposed. We don't do that, you know? The more you know. So I'm gonna just do it in the pack and then turn it over and then season it here so I can get both sides. So it's much later now and I'm just chilling, editing a video. So we just cooked on the grill. We had family time. I didn't really vlog it because I was just enjoying the time with my family. I got cute, popped on some lashes, took some pics. I'll insert those here so you guys can just see. And I took a couple clips of like the food. So I'll show you guys what we were eating. But it was just bomb family time. And it's just, I'm really looking forward to Sundays because everything is just so stressful. So this is just my one day to kind of relax and just get my mind right for the week. So I'm going to end the vlog here and I will probably pick it up tomorrow and start a new one. Okay, bye.